Hi,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Bobo Boy.
Bobo Boy, it's nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, and how are you today?
I'm happy.
That's good to hear. Are you ready for your speaking test?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Okay, are you hungry right now?
Yes.
Yes, what are the foods you like to eat? I like
Ice cream.
I like ice cream. How about cake? Do you like cake?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Okay, how about coffee? Do you like coffee?
No,
No, I don't.
I do.
Okay, what is your favorite color?
I like red.
Red. Okay, how about animals? Let's talk about the animals you like. What are the animals you like?
I like tiger.
Tiger. Do you like elephant?
No,
No, I don't. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I have here a picture. Now, in this picture, tell me, what do you see?
I see. I see people.
Okay, how many people are there in the picture?
There are 3 people.
Okay, what else do you see?
There, this is 3.
Okay, a tree. Okay, how about on the table? What are the things on the table? This is the table. What are the things on the table? There are.
There, there are
What are those? Three cups of.
of
3 cups of
on
water.
water.
Okay, I see. Now, what else do you see here?
This is crocodile.
Crocodile or alligator. Okay, now, what can you say about the girl who's reading a book?
She is on the train.
Okay, on the chair, what is she wearing?
She is wearing blue t-shirt
Okay,
and
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 yellow
yellow shorts
shorts. Okay,
and glass
okay, sunglasses. Okay, how's
sunglasses.
the weather in the picture? Is it rainy, cloudy, sunny?
Sunny.
Okay, it's sunny. Next, now I have here a picture or different pictures, smaller pictures, and the bigger picture, the one we had from the previous slide. Now I want you to tell me what's this.
This meal
It's la la la
lemon.
lemon. Now I want you to put the lemon on the table. Okay? Oh, don't touch it. Just point the finger like this and then put it there. Okay, very good. Next, how about the next picture? What is the next picture? Next to the lemon and above the guitar. What is that picture?
This is fish.
Fish. Okay, now I want you to put the fish in the pool. Put it in the pool. Pool of water. Pool. Here. The pool. Okay, very good. Next one. What is the picture under the lemon next to the guitar? What is that picture? Under the lemon and next to the guitar. Dress. What is the color of the dress? It's
Is red.
red. Now I want you to put it between the table and the mother. Okay, very good. Next, the guitar. Where is the guitar?
This is
Okay.
guitar.
Okay, there you go. I want you to put it behind the girl who's wearing sunglasses. Behind. Okay. And what is that under the red dress and next to the mouse?
This is handbag.
A handbag. What color is the handbag?
Is brown.
Brown. I want you to put the bag under the table. Very good. Next, the mouse. I want you to put it next to the alligator. The mouse? Where is the mouse? Next
Yes.
to the handbag. Okay, I want you to put it next to the alligator. Okay, and the phone. Where is the phone?
This
Okay, what color is the phone? It's
It's
pink.
pink.
Okay, and last one, what's this?
Bicycle.
Okay, bicycle. I want you to put the bicycle under the tree. Under the tree. Okay, very good. That's all for your speaking test. You did a great job. Give me 2 high fives. Okay, goodbye and see you next
Bye,
time.
teacher.